Shugor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ki bor penyaj election hagani ka jilla ki la pet ngor bhai ka jinglong jingman hagbe dei bat ka shong suk shong san knang ba ka election kan long ka ba jai jai bat ka ba yaj ben habe kran bat chief electoral officer ka jilla Dr. BDR Tiwari hakashi potrik u ya yong arjar ar saw ulong ba ki Pulit bat ki bor district ki ba dei ban pet lang ni ka jing penlong ni ka election ki pet tho bhai ka jinglong jingman bat kum juru ki jingjia ki barajia Ulaong ru bagi bor pahara kile laka jong ke benta ban penting kena bagi election kan long ke bayat bet kat kum barabu de election commission bat ke jing pen biang ye ki bor pahara lingba ke Ministry of Home Affairs hagabede bat ke jing yo ke jenla ye ki Pulit pahara ni ki Central Armed Police Force na ke benta ke ni ke election CEO uliatho bagi Pulit pahara na ke benta ke Shillong Lok Sabha Constituency Kilong hado arpu ar Pyrton katba nagabenta ke Tura Lok Sabha Constituency pan Kilong khatra Pyrton.
Keeping very close watch over entire land order situation. So and entire machinery including police and civil administration we are very much activated and all the incident, all the situations we are under the close watch. The police has worked out and we will ensure the peaceful election. Whatever forces has been provided by the through ECI from the MHA we have received. Companies around 22 companies for the Shillong Parliamentary Constituency, around 18 companies for the Tura Parliamentary Constituency. 40 companies of CAPF has been provided, so they all are deployed in the different parts.
Have they all arrived?
Yes, companies are arriving and they are